Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to RJ Craft. I am RJ. You are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's so beautiful. You can make elastic for any project. Baby heart, any heart you can make. And you can make scarf with this pattern. This is incredible and easy, super easy for beginner, for learner. It's so nice pattern. It has very good quality. Both sides looks fantastic. I hope you will love this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will show you step by step. So let's start. You can make any even number chain. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So yarn over 1, 2, 3 in third. Gonna make half double crochet. Yarn over half double crochet if you want. So yarn over, make half double crochet. So this pattern is pretty good for many projects. You can make scarf, heart, so many things you can make with this pattern. Is so easy for beginner. It also looks so pretty. I'm using 4mm hook and double knitting yarn. So you can see how it's look like pretty. So always chain 2. So yarn over, I'm gonna pour like this. Always yarn over, next yarn over, always pour through one stitch like this and like this. It will go in one row just like this. So at the end I'm gonna make like this. Okay viewers, I am at the end this row. So always 1, 2, chain 2, yarn over, again half double crochet, like pull through, maybe you can see well, like this. It's very pretty and very easy pattern for beginner. So simple. Like this. Always will go in one row. Like this. Don't forget to this chain too, okay? So I'm gonna continue like this. I will show you at the end of this pattern. It's pretty, just continue like this. So viewers, I'm gonna stop my model here. I made a small model. You can make elastic, hat and scarf. Is pretty good pattern. It's so easy, super easy for beginner, for learner. You can learn with this pattern. It's so easy and incredible pattern. Both sides same. You can make jumper, cardigans. You can make elastic. You can, if you want to make heart, you can use more than one color. You can use 2 color, 3 color with this pattern. If you want to make like strappy heart, I will make very soon. I hope you love this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for nice compliment. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.